Here is part 2 of our poop talk. In part 1, I asked you a few questions about your poop. I asked you about how many times a day you go. Do you go every single day? Does your poop float or sink? What about any undigested food in your poop? And what about really bad odors? Now let's talk about what the answers to those questions might mean. Not going to the bathroom at least 1 time a day means you're constipated. You should be going at least 1 time a day, if not 1 to 3 times per day. There are many different causes to constipation. But to start off, I would look at the amount of water you're getting and the amount of fiber you're getting in your diet daily. The next question is, does your poop float or sink? You want your poop to sink. If it's floating, that means there's more fat in it. Think of it like a salad dressing where before it's mixed, there's more fat on top. And if there's more fat in it, that means that you're having issues digesting and breaking down your food and absorbing the nutrients. You'll want to investigate the root cause as to why this is happening. There also can be other signs and symptoms that come along with this, so you may notice that your poop is sticking to the toilet bowl, there is a foul smell, you may have some bloating, gas. The next question about having undigested food in your poop really looks at how your body is digesting your food. If you're noticing undigested food, it means that your body isn't really doing its job in breaking down the food that you're eating. There could be many reasons as to why this is happening. Whether you're eating too fast, you don't have enough stomach acid, or your pancreatic enzymes, which help break down your carbs, your fats, and your proteins, aren't working properly. Having a really strong bad odor to your poop also indicates malabsorption, and that's something that you'll want to investigate the root cause of. Let me know what other questions you have down below, and maybe we'll continue on with this series.